Our first topic today, we will discuss on the basics concepts actually. What is accounting and what are the rules we require to record the transactions. First we should know actually what is the accounting actually. What do we mean by accounting? Okay. So see here definition is given. Accounting is what? An information system. Accounting is an information system and that identifies the first task in accounting is what? Identifying. So accounting is an information system that identifies, records and communicates economic events of an organization to the interested users. So it means accounting include three things: identifying transactions. After identifying transaction, we need to record the transactions. And after recording transaction, what we do, whatever result we get, that result we communicate to the owner of the business. So we should understand all these three elements: identifying, recording and communicating. So what do we mean by actually identifying? So see here clearly given here, identifies means which business activity is to be recorded. Understood? Suppose I started a business. Suppose this is my business, this is my business. Okay. Now in this business, there will be lots of activities, and which activity we should record and which activity we should ignore, that we have to understand first. So first task in accounting is what? Identifying. Identifying what? Identifying the activities which we need to record and identifying those activities which we need to ignore. Okay, so let's take an example. Suppose I started a business, okay, and I appointed an honest worker, or you can say employee. Getting my point? I started a business and I appointed an honest employee in the business, but I can't record this event. This activity I can't record because this activity doesn't have any economic value, doesn't have any monetary value. Though we know that honest employee is really very fruitful for the business. If we have honest employee, if we have dedicated employees, definitely our business will grow in the future. Now see the second transaction. Purchased furniture. Purchased furniture for cash, $5,000. So now see, the first activity we can't record, but the second activity we can record because we brought furniture, isn't it? And we know what is the value of the furniture. The value of the furniture is $5,000. So the first activity we can't record, but the second activity we need to record. Understood? So like this, we have to identify that which activity we need to ignore and which activity we need to record. Now see, after identifying this, what we have to do? We have to record the transaction. Getting my point? In the books of accounts, recording business activities, and to record business activities or business transactions, there are certain rules, and those rules we have to follow. There are certain accounting principles and concepts. So after identifying those activities, what we will do? We will record those activities, and to record those activities, what we have to do? We have to follow accounting rules, and we have to follow accounting principles and concepts. So the first task is identifying activities which we need to record, and after identifying, what we will do? We will record those transactions. Now after recording, what is the third activity in the accounting? We need to communicate the result of the transactions, the result of the records. Now let's take an example. Suppose I purchased goods. I purchased goods for $5,000. Okay. So this activity we will record, isn't it? Because this activity has a monetary value. Now see, after this, now see the second activity. I sold the entire goods for $6,000. I brought the goods and then I sold the goods. The same whole goods I sold. Now tell me, what is the result of the good? These are two transactions, and both has monetary value, and both transactions we will record. Agree? Now see what is the result. So we brought goods for $5,000 and we sold the same goods for $6,000. So there is a profit of $1,000, isn't it? Now this is the result, profit of $1,000, and this result we need to communicate to the owner. Accounting, helps to communicate these results to the owner. Being a owner, of course, you want to know how much profit I earned, how much loss is there in the business, isn't it?